folks. Today we'll discuss about understanding the rank and the thens rank and SQL. So these are the Windows functions that we'll be working with rank and thens rank. Let me understand first what is rank, then we'll go with the thens rank. So SQL provides a ranking function to assign the ranks to rows based on specified order. So in that first rank are the commonly used for ranking the roles while maintaining a order. So here, for example, I have a marks. Student marks is there like 70, 75, 80, 85. Okay. So I want to assign a rank for this. So what rank will do here is, think we got two people got 70 marks. Two people got the 70 marks. So I want to assign a rank. So first what I will do, I will going to sort this one on a descending format. So 85, 80, 75, 70, 70. Next, I will going to add another one record, which is 79. So I will going to have here 79. So I want to assign rank on the descending order of the marks of a student. So what rank will do? It will going to assign first for 85, and for 80 it will assign 2. For 75 it will going to assign this 3 and 4 for 70. And again for the one who scored the same marks, he will get 4th rank only. But the one who scored 69, for that, will not get the 4th rank. So what rank the person will get here is 6th rank. 5th rank we will be not giving for this one who scored 69. The rank will assign 6th. How? See, what is the record we had here is 4. 4. How many times is this occurring? 2 times. So which is equals to 6. So next rank will be 6. This is how rank will assign based on the marks. If I want thens rank for this. So rank assign 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6. I don't want the one who scored 69, 6th rank. They want 5th rank. For that, what we will came up with here is a thens rank. So what thens rank will do? So thens rank will assign 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. It will not going to skip anything. So that's what a difference between a rank and a thens rank in SQL. Okay, so rank whenever in your marks, exam, student performance, based on the marks, I need to assign where the two students got the same mark. So we need to do the ranking things means we will gonna go with rank, or if you don't want to skip it continuously we are getting means we will go with thens rank. Okay, so let me give another one example. Again, I will take a few marks where I will gonna repeat some words, values here. Okay, so here I took 85. I will take a student name, some X. Okay, so 85, 75, 75, 75, and next the person scored what? 65. So I want to assign rank and the thens rank for both. So what rank? First, second, second, second. What will be the one who scored 65? Some names I took it random. The one who scored, the person B scored 65. What will be the rank? It will be not 3 guys. It will be what is the value we had here is 2 plus how many times 2 is occurring? 3 times. So next rank will be 5. If you are going with thens rank, it will assign the one person got 85, 1, 2, 2, 2, and the one who scored 65, it will assign 3 only. So that is what our difference between rank and the thens rank in the SQL. Okay, so the syntax that we follow in the rank and dense rank, we will gonna select the columns that we want to work with and rank. So you already know Windows functions. We need to provide a over clause. So over is a one for window. So it will not gonna add like it will gonna add a column to give an information. It will not gonna reduce the base table. So it will gonna over partition by what column you want to partition by and order by. It may be marks. It may be anything. We will gonna give it here. Partition by similar like group by order by to sort the data and dense rank over partition by column, order by column, descending as dense rank from the table. So this is the syntax that we will follow to work with the rank under dense rank. So let me take you to a workbench where we will do the implementation of it. Okay, so here I took a table which is a student score. Okay, so here I having student ID, student name, department name, and the school. So I want to assign rank for this students based on I want to group by with the department, and for each department I need to assign a rank for this. So I'm going individually select rank. I'm using a Windows function which is a rank over clause for to create a window. It will gonna add a column. So I'm giving here partition by. Partition by is nothing but group by. Similar like that. So it will gonna make group by department name. Order by score. I'm using sorting based on the score descending format for the each department. I need to give a rank. Okay, so let me run this. So you can give an idea. The one who scored from the biochemistry 85, 1, biochemistry 82, and biochemistry 73. So when we observe on the computer science department, for 90 it assigned 1, for 80 it assigned 2, 82. Next, it didn't assign 3, D, 4. This is how rank will gonna assign. Similarly, if I want to go with the dense rank, select dense rank over partition by department name, order by score descending from the table student score. So if I run this one, so here you can observe on the computer science department. So for 90 it gave 1, 82, 82, and for 67 it didn't give 4, it didn't skip it, it just gave the third line for the one who scored 67. So this is what a difference between a rank and a dense rank in SQL. Thank you, everyone.